Graphic LCDs can be used to display a variety of information, including text, images, and graphs. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a custom image on a graphic LCD using an Arduino Uno, but the principles can be applied to any microcontroller with a graphic LCD display. The hardware and tools you will need for this project are an Arduino Uno, a graphic LCD. We'll be using our 144x32 graphic display, a breadboard, jumper wires, a 30 ohm resistor, a USB Type A male to Type B male cable, the Arduino IDE, Microsoft Paint, and the LCD Assistant software. Let's start by wiring up the circuit. First, find the datasheet for your graphic LCD. In the datasheet, you will find a table with the pin descriptions of the display. In our example, we'll be looking at the parallel interface table, which is the default interface for this display. Next, we'll look at the example code on our website. Using the datasheet and example code as a reference, you should now be able to wire the circuit. This is what our finished circuit looks like. Next, we'll copy the example code into the Arduino IDE. If you don't have the Arduino IDE installed, you will need to go to the website, then download and install the latest version of the Arduino IDE. Once installed, open a new sketch, then copy-paste the example code into the sketch. Now it's time to create the custom graphic. Open a new file in Microsoft Paint. Go to File, Properties. Select Black and White under Colors, then set the width and height equal to the resolution of your display. Go to the View tab, then select the checkbox next to grid lines. Using the available tools, create a graphic that you wish to show on the display. Once you are finished, save as type monochrome bitmap.bmp. Next, we will convert the graphic into a data array so it can be used in the Arduino program. Go to the LCD Assistant website and click lcdassistant.zip download. Once it is finished downloading, open the file location and extract the zip folder. Then in the extracted folder, run lcdassistant.exe. When the program is open, then go to File, Load Image, and select the .bmp file that you created. First, set the byte orientation to horizontal. Next, go to File, Save Output, and save the output with the .h extension. Then add the file to the Arduino Libraries folder. You will also need to open the file in a text editor and delete const before unsigned char. There are two ways to include the data array into the code. First is to manually copy and paste the data array into the code. Open the .h file and copy the array definition into your code. The second option is to include the library file in the code. First, verify the .h file is within the Arduino Libraries folder. Then type include filename .h to include the file. Now the data array is available for use within our program. The next step is to add the data array to the display function call at the bottom of the code into the name of the data array in the disp function. Now it's time to upload the code to the Arduino Uno and see the graphic on the display. Plug the Arduino Uno into a USB port on your PC. Next, in the Arduino IDE, select the Arduino Uno COM port and click Upload. The sketch will then be uploaded to the Arduino. The display should now be running. The display will first fill the screen, then clear the screen, and lastly, it will display the custom graphic. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.